Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the greatest name of Allah, most gracious and merciful, whose blessing is uncountable, whose being is eternal, whose provision are unending, and whose love is our life, and whose faith is our worship. Honorable judges, respected audience, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to congratulate the team of Islamic Student Federation for organizing such a beautiful and historical event today. Dear audience, today the topic of my speech is the respect between Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and the family of Holy Prophet. Being a true Muslim, we have to love the companion of Holy Prophet, because about his beloved companions, he said, the companions are like a star, which you will follow, you will be guided. Dear audience, in the same way, we have to maintain a relationship of love with the family of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. As regarding Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, my family is like no ark. He who boarded it was safe. Dear audience, the companion had a very respectful relationship of love with the family of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Dear audience, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq was the first leader of Muslim Ummah. After the death of Holy Prophet, he performed a good duties as a leader of Muslim Ummah. Dear audience, in the life of Holy Prophet and after his death, he set a great example of love and respect for Ahl Bayt. Hazrat Abu Bakr used often to look at Hazrat Ali's face. One day, Sayyida Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha said, why you continuously see his face? Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq was said, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, looking at Ali's face is worship. Dear audience, according to the narration of Imam Bukhari, Hazrat Abu Bakr was said, the respect of Holy Prophet is to respect our family. Dear audience, so that after the death of Holy Prophet, Hazrat Abu Bakr was passing by a place when Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Imam Hassan were coming from the front. He picked Imam Hassan, placed him on his shoulder and said, you like your father, you like a Holy Prophet, not like your father Ali. Hazrat Ali smiled when he heard this sentence. Dear audience, all this proved that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq was great love and respect for Ahl Bayt. At last, I would like to say that Sahaba and Ahl Bayt, both are crown of our head. We respect and follow our both. May Allah help us to follow of both.